hope you all are doing good. First of all, I want to thank each one of you who takes the time to watch my video and who has subscribed, because this keeps me motivated to make more exciting recipes to your plate from my end. Today I'm going to add in some colors because spring is in the air, why not? So I'm going to make a purple cabbage chaat, and I'm going to air fry the purple cabbage leaves and put in all the goodness, make it into a protein-rich snack. Cabbage is so good for you, it's good for your body, and by adding some colors to your plate, you're going to add some colors to your soul as well. So let's keep our body happy and let's keep our soul happy. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shubs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. Let's begin to separate the cabbage leaf. Cut out the hard center core using a knife. I will be air frying one set of fresh leaf and I will be blanching another set before air frying. It's better if you can cut a bit deeper. I should have done that. But now slowly pull out each leaf. See how easily it comes out? Another method is to run tap water briskly into the gap between the leaf. To blanch the leaves, fill a large stock pot with water and add a bit of salt and bring to boil. Add cabbage leaves one by one, and I'm going to let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This will also kill any bacteria that are present. You can also freeze it for later use after blanching. Check if it's soft, it's perfect. So once done, you may put it in ice cold water or simply leave it aside to cool down. Let's prepare the batter for chips. In a large bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour, chickpea flour or besan. Add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and to kick in some flavor, I'm going to add Italian seasoning. Give it a good mix. To this, slowly add 1/4 cup of water to 1/2 cup of water, making sure it's not too runny. Mix it well, making sure there are no lumps, and leave it aside. In the meantime, let's start cutting the cabbage leaf. I'm going to cut them into a small to medium size, and I'm also going to leave the stem on, and we will be further air frying it. It's totally up to you what you want to prepare and how you want to prepare. Since we are making chips out of it, it's going to be crunchy and crispy, so I'm going to just leave the stem on, and after cutting, just use a paper towel to dab that extra water off of the cabbage leaves. Did you know that purple cabbage has more vitamin C than oranges? It's great for skin, filled with nutrients, a low calorie, and good for weight loss diet. We have the batter ready, and I'm using Japanese panko breadcrumbs. You may use any breadcrumbs of your choice. I'm going to generously coat each cabbage leaf into the gram flour batter and into the breadcrumbs. I'm so excited for these chips. I personally love to eat chips. I used to have potato chips a lot, and lately realized that there's plenty of other options you can make in your own way. And I'm so happy that I'm able to make these veggie chips, because we need to incorporate a lot of vegetables, and I'm also trying to see how can we make it in a more creative, fun way. Time to air fry. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Now place each cabbage leaf carefully one by one into the basket. Make sure they are not crowded and there is a little bit of space between each pieces. and you may air fry in batches. I'm going to air fry this under 370 degree for 5 minutes first, and then turn each piece around. This is beautiful. It's turning out beautiful already. And now I'm going to air fry for another 5 minutes. I'm using Gourmia Air Fryer, and the setting that I use for this air fryer is perfect. Wow! Look at the color. Nice and crispy. You may serve it hot and enjoy it as chips right away if you like. Otherwise it can get soggy. Now let's try to air fry the other set of cabbage leaf without blanching. I'm going to dip it in the batter and use almond flour instead of breadcrumbs. So if you don't want to use breadcrumbs, you can easily use almond flour. And I was curious how this is going to turn out. Wow! This is beautiful. This has turned out nice, and I'm going to serve it. You can enjoy it as chips, and you can dip it with your favorite sauce. Let's see how they taste. I really like the one that I blanched the cabbage leaves, so I'm going to try the other one, the one without blanching. And we used almond flour. They look good. These are absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it as chips, and I'm also going to show you how to make a healthy chaat recipe using these cabbage chips. I love papdi chaat, a popular Indian street food where it's made out of flour and you add potatoes and chickpeas. Today I'm going to make this chaat using these cabbage chips, plenty of chickpeas, pickled carrots, cucumber, coriander leaves, mint chutney, and lime juice. You can add whatever veggies you like. This is absolutely delicious, and enjoy it as a snack or a lunch meal filled with nutrients, a low calorie diet, high protein. What more do you want? Blanched or without blanched, both turned out really great. One with breadcrumbs and one with almond flour. I really loved the flavors it came through, and the one with almond flour was a little softer, which I didn't mind. So now you have a preference, you have option, you can try them both. And do let me know if you do try. Do come back and let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to know, and you can enjoy this with your family and friends as much as I'm going to enjoy this with my family. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with shows.